guys, happy Tuesday. So glad to see you today. Hopefully, you had a great break and an easy Monday. So, we're going to get into it today. So, this week we are reading an informational text, and it is called Planet Earth. So, it's going to talk a little bit about the Earth ecosystem, how the crust and core work together, and just some interesting facts today. So I want you to pay attention to what an informational text really looks like. Keep an eye on the text features if you need to. Go to page 435. You have an anchor chart. It's in your book. Use it. And it shows you the different features of informational text, okay? So today, all we're reading is 438 to 441. Once you're done, you are going to already had that open. Don't know why I opened it again, but that's okay. You're going to go through the 4 pages you read. We'll just go to the one that's open. Or we'll go to the one that's opening because it's okay. It's okay. Okay. And you are going to go through each one. And what I would like you to do is find the text features in the 4 pages you read. So what you're going to do, and this is kind of just a fun little exercise, like, hey, what text features do I really see? We have photographs, captions, map, index. Is there an index? Glossary, bold print, labels. Do you see any of that as you read? Pay attention to the photographs and illustrations. And as you read, what you're going to do, you're going to put the page number. And book title is just Planet Earth, right? If you want to, you can put the subheading, exactly like what section you found it in. I'd accept that. So page and subheading, okay? Alrighty. And you'll probably find a few on each page of each. And if you don't find one, that's okay. All right? But make sure you tell me what page and kind of where, okay? So give me a subheading. That way it tells me which paragraph it's in, right? Or you can tell me the number of paragraph. So if you have any questions, let me know. I've also provided list of the vocab words that you're going to see in this week's reading. We have mantle, which is the layer of earth between the crust and the core. You have circulation, which moves through a system. So that's kind of why I provided this. You see 2 different types of circulation, right? Heat from the wall comes around and goes down. Heat from underneath comes all the way up evenly, right? Next word, we have adopted. Now, adopted has several definitions, and the one we're using is started to use a selected idea or method. That means somebody adopted an idea, and they have taken that as their own idea, and that's what they use. Such as the idea to have round wheels instead of square wheels. We adopted the idea to have round wheels. So our next word is abundant, plentiful, or commonly occurring. Do we have apples all the time? Are they abundant? Are they always in the store? Mm-hmm. Yep, they are. And then molten, melted or hot enough to be in liquid form. I've just provided this so you can have a visual of what these words mean in case you're a little confused, okay? So otherwise, make sure you do your search for text features. That is going to be graded. Do it every day. This week, we're going to be doing this little search for text features every single day, since this is kind of a long read, okay? All right, guys, have a great day. Be safe and be awesome. As always, high five. But since I'm on the Chromebook, I have to wait a few seconds to make sure that the recording actually ends correctly. So as we're sitting here, make sure that you do all of your work this week. Make sure you had a whole week off, so make sure we're catching up on anything we're missing. Grades will be being put in this week. So if your parents start seeing any zeros, you should probably start catching up to those, okay? Anyway, high five.